ice for half a century and brought back to life through engineering precision. This is no ordinary aircraft. This is the legendary P-38 Lightning, known as Glacier Girl, lost during a World War II mission. This aircraft was forced to land in Greenland, where it was eventually swallowed by over 50 years of shifting ice. What seemed like a complete loss became one of aviation's greatest recovery missions. Using advanced restoration technology, engineers carefully excavated, reconstructed, and rebuilt the aircraft piece by piece. Corrosion mapping, structural scanning, and precision part fabrication were all used to return it to life. Despite its age, the twin-engine design of the P-38 Lightning still delivers remarkable performance. Its aerodynamic twin-boom structure and high-altitude capability made it one of the most advanced fighters of its era. Today, Glacier Girl is not just a museum piece. It remains a fully restored, flight-capable aircraft. Every rivet, every panel, tell the story of engineering. Revival powered by modern aviation. Restoration science. From frozen wreck to flying machine, this is where history meets technology. The resurrection of the P-38 Lightning proves one thing: true engineering never dies.